Today, we're taking a look at a very unique soldering tool. It's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful, designed for both precision work and everyday soldering needs. This soldering tool features a built-in spotlight, an integrated camera, and 3 interchangeable soldering tips. It also offers 5 adjustable power levels to handle different soldering needs. The LED display shows the battery level and power setting in real time, so you can keep everything under control at all times. One of the most impressive features is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. You can connect it to your phone, iPad, or computer and see the soldering area in real time, making precision work clearer and more accurate than ever. Thanks to its advanced heating system, the iron heats up in just 9 seconds. No long waiting times. You're ready to solder almost instantly. Whether you're working on delicate circuit boards or larger components, this tool handles it with ease. It comes with 3 interchangeable soldering tips, allowing you to switch quickly depending on the job. Its compact and wireless design makes it extremely portable. You can easily throw it into your tool bag or backpack and take it anywhere, whether you're in a workshop or working on the go. Battery life is another strong point. On a full charge, it can deliver up to 40 minutes of continuous use, which is more than enough for most soldering sessions without interruption. This welding tool is compact, portable, and powerful, With Wi-Fi, fast heating, and long battery life, ideal for hobbyists and pros alike.